Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking beef in cream of mushroom. So let's do it. Here are the ingredients. Today we're going to use chuck roast and T-bone steak. Now we have our cream of mushroom. We have 2 cans, salt, and black pepper. This is a simple recipe. We'll just rub the salt and pepper on both sides, and then we're gonna bake it for 350 degrees Fahrenheit at probably for 1 hour and 45 minutes or 2 hours, so the meat will be real tender and juicy. So let's apply the pepper. Okay, black pepper. All right. Apply the salt. All right. Then we rub it. Okay. Turn it over. We're gonna do it on the other side. All right. Turn it over. And then black pepper in. All right. This will be real tasty and juicy. Then we put our salt. Okay. All right. A little bit more. Then we rub it in. Okay. There you go. Then we're gonna cover this with our foil, and we'll stick it into the oven, 350 degrees for 2 hours, and we'll cover this with our foil. Now it's tightly covered, and this is ready for baking. Here is the finished product: beef in cream of mushroom. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.